Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Afra and today we're going to do such a simple thing. For the ones that have watched my Python videos, I think you know this, and this is called variables. Okay, and not variables, inputs. This is called inputs. For the ones that know, that's easy for you, right? Then we put the variables here. So name equals to input, enter the name. Age equals to enter bracket input, enter the age. Input over here means that's a string type. But the age is what? An integer type, right? Then print name, so it can be whatever, like Enver has whatever age, like 45 years left before they can retire. They can retire. Okay? What am I doing? Before he or she can retire. So here. So we can put the code beside, enter the name. Let's say we say Edward. Let's say we say he's 4 years old. Yeah. So this wouldn't make sense, right? Like, age doesn't make sense. Retire. You can say years before retirement. Retirement. Enter the years before retirement. That makes more sense. Okay. Now years. We don't need a copy. Just do that. That's easy. Now that makes more sense. Run it again. Let's say he's Enver. So let's say 34 years. Enver has 34 years left before he or she can retire. So he can retire. Let's say we say Joe. And let's say 12. So Joe has 12 years left before he or she can retire. Okay? That's how the code works. So thank everyone for listening about my video about the inputs. And for the ones that know that's easy for you, I hope you like it, and bye!